like embroidery, shirt, someone anything that has to do with a computer where you need to save your designs and crap. What I suggest is having not just one external hard drive, but two. I mean, because today, this is what stress looks like. I mean, I thought I lost everything. My hard drive was not connecting and was normal to my computer, and I was freaking out. I mean, everything is on my external hard drive. All my designs, everything, everything I've worked really, really, really hard on is on my external hard drive, and I honestly thought it was gone, and I was so, so depressed and so sad. But luckily, I don't know what happened. It just started working again. Okay, so it didn't work, and I've lost all my designs. I'm really upset. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to start from scratch. Everything. So, take it from me. Get two external hard drives.